Umentri rangba kajelau konrad ke sangma hakash pautarik ya yong arja alpun rio ulapen ko buram daka Khusnam Pisa shaki saupau ngot ki Samla narilum Khasi-Jaiñtia kibalawan shakmat haka Eksam Secondary School Leaving Certificate SSLC kebalapan benar result dangshan daka Meghalaya Board of School Education. Hakari ke program nolor menteri rangba lai don langru doba lakmen remboi menteri beri kmi ya katanat puli ke sarkar jella Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner but Secretary katanat puli kikmi kikpa ki nohikai nolor kiwai. Dagba ai kuble ya ki Samla bawan shakmat ulaang baga pass percentage jong ke Eksam SSLC kala kiobha bat kumta ukmi lenti bakalong ke jingpen kala ha ke puli puthi ha ke jella. Ulapen tep bakum kene ke program ansale hari lum garo haka khat pratarik uyayong arajal alpun rio hatura bat kene ke Pisa kadai lingba ke Chief Minister's Special Grant.
The rest of the 6,000 who could not make it, that there is another opportunity. And that they must work hard, and I hope that we will be able to reach 100% this particular year. When people ask me about so many things that we have done, and so many things we could not do, or yet to do, I tell most people that two of the things are most satisfying to me as a human being, and of course as your Chief Minister. The first is when we are able to save the lives of mothers when they're giving birth. And as you all know that Meghalaya had one of the highest MMR rates in the country. And today we have been able to bring it down by 50% because of concerted effort from all the people involved, and that has made a difference. The second is that there was a time when 50% of our students used to fail in SSLC. And that used to be one of the most painful moments for me as a human being and as a Chief Minister. And the reason for that was very simple. That these are young minds. These are young individuals who want to make a difference in the world. They have their dreams, they have their goals. And in class 10, even before their dreams could even start to take shape, you already have shattered their dreams. And I strongly felt that it was very, very sad, unfortunate, and in some way unfair. And so therefore, seeing the way we are able to improve things, I'm not satisfied, of course, there's a lot more to be done. But seeing the way things are moving forward, I have a very, very positive expectation that we'll be able to really make a difference, which we have started in a small way, but in the long run we'll be able to make a huge difference in the overall education scenario. Having said that, at a general level, today is a great day for all of us. And I really would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the toppers of the Khasi-Jaiñtia Hills region. We'll be having a separate program on the 18th for Kyrwoh Hills region because it's too far away for them to come all the way to Shillong. So we're having a program on 18th in Tura, and we're having this program today here in Shillong for Khasi-Jaiñtia Hills region. And our purpose is really, really very simple. It's just to congratulate you. It's just to give a pat on the back. It's just to tell you that we are all very proud of you. And to tell you that those sleepless nights you had when you were studying all night, or those early mornings that you woke up to study, or the discipline that you maintained throughout your life, the small but meaningful sacrifices you made when others were doing other things but you were focused on your education. We just want to tell you that we appreciate all of the work that you did. All of the sacrifices and the hard work and the discipline you put in. We recognize it. And I do hope that that particular thought in your mind will continue throughout your life. Remember, topping the SSLC is not the end. It is just the beginning. Your journey has just begun. But you have made a great start. It is only with continuous discipline and persistence will you be able to continue in this journey in a successful manner. I always maintain and I always share with all our students, and especially the youth in general, that in life you will have a lot of decisions and challenges and crossroads that you will come across. Remember to follow your heart and your passion. Like Minister mentioned just now, many people will tell you many things to do. But at the end of the day, you have to do what you believe that you want to do in life. What you believe that you will never give up on. What you believe will make you happy. And what will ensure that you can give 100% in everything that you do. So please follow your heart and your passion in life. At the end of the day, no matter what you achieve in life, nothing will matter more except the fact that you will be remembered as a good person. So I do suggest and I do hope that all of you will always keep your feet on the ground. You will always be humble. And that you will never let success get to your head. I always tell people that the more you can put your feet and keep your feet on the ground, the higher you will fly. I don't know how many of you understood what that means. But it's very simple. The more you can keep your feet on the ground, the more or the higher you will fly. Which means the more humble you are, the more you will rise. So please work hard, be disciplined, be persistent, be consistent, but at the end of the day, be humble and be a good human being. And I think if you can work on that, I'm sure you will have a very, very satisfying, happy, and a successful life ahead of you. Once again, I wish you all the very best. I like to congratulate the teachers, the parents, the education department, MBOs, every stakeholder that has played a crucial part in your success, and also overall seeing the pass percentage at 86%. Of course, we want more, but it's a good start. There was a point where we were 50% every year, but today we are always at 80 plus. Last year we were 96. I hope that we will be able to touch that again this year with the second opportunity that the students will get. So once again, I congratulate the principals, the teachers. You have played a huge role. The education department has played a huge role. Education minister, the director, and my team at the CM Secretariat also has played a big role today in terms of organizing this program and organizing the funds to be given to all of you. It's not about the money. It's really about the recognition and the fact that we are very proud of you. That's the message we want to give you. And most importantly, we want to wish you the very best for your future.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya